Beyond the runway, partnerships take shape in quieter rooms, where two aviation forces sit across the same table, speaking the same language of service. In Singapore, dnata opens its doors to IAS. Not as strangers, but as partners who've already found common ground in the sky. Here, that trust becomes a starting point. Ground handling, cargo, lounge experience, passenger services, every capability on the table, every possibility given room to breathe, to turn a single point of collaboration into a constellation of them. This is not the end of a visit. It's the opening line of what IAS and dnata could become together.